Hey everyone! If you're an Uber driver and you've been stuck with the unable to authenticate device error in 2025, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it so you can get back on the road. First, make sure to completely close your Uber driver app. Don't just swipe it away. Make sure it's fully closed. Next, head over to your phone settings. On iPhone, search for iPhone storage and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all your apps. Scroll down or sort by name until you find the Uber driver app. Once you've located it, tap on it and select Offload app. This will remove the app without deleting your data or logging you out of your account. It essentially refreshes the app and verifies the integrity of the files. After it's offloaded, hit Reinstall app. Now, give it a moment to reinstall. Once it's done, open the app and check if the authentication issue is resolved. If you're still seeing the error, don't panic, simply restart your phone. Whether it's an iPhone or Android, a quick reboot often clears any lingering glitches and should fully fix the problem. And that's it. Your Uber driver app should now be back to normal and ready to go. If this helped, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks to keep your driving experience smooth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.